most of the traders will be looking for a trend reversal or may have started looking for. Indices are close to their all-time high and it is expected in near future that we might see a trend reversal. Currently the market sentiments are bullish and we have seen a good buying in public sector, power, oil and gas and utility stocks. And there are reduced number of COVID-19 cases globally. Hey guys, welcome to another episode from Vega Stocks. In this video we will talk about trend reversal or reversal days. But before we start, a disclaimer. This video is only for educational purposes and we do not recommend or provide tips. If you are new, then please like, share and subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notified as soon as we upload our next video. Let's try to understand what is a reversal day or a trend reversal. Reversal days can also be known as top reversal days, bottom reversal days, the buying or selling climax and the key reversal days. Please remember, this formation as shown in the chart is not of major importance, but if taken with other technical information, it is sometimes significant. So let's define what is a reversal day. A reversal day takes place either at a top or at a bottom. The definition of a top reversal day is the setting of a new high in an uptrend followed by a lower close on the same day. So if I make it simple, the price will set a new high for a given up move at some point during the day. Normally this happens in the morning hours, then weaken and actually close lower than the previous day closing. Similarly, a bottom day reversal would be a new low during the day followed by a higher close than the previous day's closing. Remember, bottom reversal day is also known as selling climax, and the wider the range for the day means there is a heavier volume, and this signifies that there is a possibility of a trend reversal in the near term. This is usually a dramatic turnaround at the bottom of a down move where all the discouraged longs have finally been forced out of the market due to heavy volume, and the subsequent absence of selling pressure creates a vacuum over the market, which prices quickly rally to fill. The selling climax is one of the more dramatic examples of reversal day, and while it may not mark the final bottom of a failing market, but it signals that a significant low has been seen or made. A good to know information, weekly reversals are more significant than daily reversals for obvious reasons and are watched closely by all the technical analysts as a important turning point. And similarly, monthly reversals are even more important than weekly and daily. I hope you can understand why I am sharing this, because our indices are very close to their all-time high and we are expecting a turnaround. We are expecting a trend reversal. The example shared for bottom trend reversals can also be called as key reversal days. I'm sure you remember that I said trend reversals have different names. So key reversal days is also known as bottom trend reversal. On this day, price or candle swiftly places itself on the long following trend line, and hence this day becomes an important key reversal day, and thereafter you can witness a good rally to the upper side or lower side accordingly. This knowledge will help you to identify the trend reversals and then you can plan your trades accordingly. Remember, the information shared doesn't confirm trend reversal unless and until it is supported by other technical factors. I request you to do your own study and practice before entering into the live market. Let me share you one example. As you can see the screen, this is a perfect key trend reversal day. As you can see, this is a this is a 1-day chart, and I have drawn a trend line. You can see that the price action is following this trend line, and a candle which I have circled has perfectly placed on this trend line and has followed a key trend reversal definition which I have already shared with you. After that, you can see a good movement to the upper side. I request you once again to do your own study and practice before entering into the live market. And if you are new, please like, share and subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon so that you get notified as soon as we upload our next video. Thank you and have a good day.